Old Man's Cave is a popular hiking area in Hocking Hills State Park in Ohio. The area is known for its stunning waterfalls, sandstone cliffs, and recessed caves, with trails ranging from a short loop to longer connections with Cedar Falls and Ash Cave. The main loop is about 1 to 1.5 miles and features the Upper Falls, Devil's Bathtub, and Lower Falls. The area is part of the Grandma Gatewood Trail, which connects to other major park attractions. If you enjoy this content, please like, share, and most importantly, hit that follow. Thanks for watching.